My name is Mamoloko Kubai. I am the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development. I'm looking for 30 young professionals who are going to spend lunch with me. Young professionals, meaning below 35. The qualifying criteria are as follows. Oh, by the way, I must say it, for young women. Sorry guys, you're not part of it for now. We'll think about what we're gonna do with you later. So for now, we're looking for these criteria. Just follow quickly. One, you're going to do a 60 seconds video for us. Tell us why this constitution is important. We are celebrating 30 years of our constitution. That's why 30 young women. And then 60 seconds, you tell us why this constitution is important and you think it's valuable for us as South Africans. You're going to tag me and the Department of Justice and Constitutional Development. You'll find the details on this video to tag us. We're going to go through what you have said about the constitution. Top 30 messages that are good, that are very clear about the constitution. Get to spend that afternoon with me in lunch. I'll bring some gurus in the legal practice and those who know how we can be able to grow as young women. Just take it as a coaching, mentoring session. There might be goodies on that day if we are all nice and we do nice videos. And then top 3, if you do the best, you're gonna get gifts. So that's my message for you. All of us, let's get ready and celebrate. 30 years of our constitution, one nation. It's time for us to reflect, to renew, and rededicate ourselves to the values and principles of our constitution. Look forward to seeing you in June for the lunch.